In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Notion. By the end, you'll have the official Trello connection added to your Notion workspace, so you can streamline tasks across both tools. You'll need access to a Notion workspace where connections are allowed and a Trello account you can authorize. Using the Notion desktop app or a modern browser works best, and being signed in ahead of time helps the process go smoothly. Start in Notion. Look to the top left area of the app to find your account name. Click your account name to open the account menu. This reveals all the personal and workspace options you'll need for managing settings and integrations. From that menu, click on Settings. This takes you into the central place where you control your Notion preferences and workspace level options. We're going here specifically because Notion centralizes integrations and permissions in this area. Inside Settings, find and click on Connections. The Connections section shows what's already installed for your workspace and is where you can add new integrations. It's the best way to confirm what has access to your pages and to keep everything organized and secure. Next, click on Browse Connections in Gallery. This opens Notion's Integration Gallery, a curated space where you can search for official and partner-built connections. It's safer than installing from unknown sources, and it ensures you're getting the most up-to-date integration. In the gallery search bar, type Trello. You should see the Trello integration appear in the results. This search helps you skip scrolling and ensures you pick the correct official option. If you see multiple results, look for the verified Trello listing with clear descriptions and documentation. Click on Trello to open its details page. Here, you can review what the integration does and what permissions it requests. This page typically outlines capabilities and links to support resources, so it's worth skimming if you're curious about features or limitations. When you're ready, click on Add to Notion. At this point, you may be asked to choose the Notion workspace where you want the connection installed and to grant the integration access to specific pages or databases. You may also be prompted to sign in to Trello and authorize the connection there. Allow only the permissions you need, and if your browser blocks pop-ups, temporarily enable them to complete the authorization. After authorization, Notion will confirm the connection. That's it. You can return to Settings and Connections. To verify Trello now appears in your list. If you don't see it immediately, refresh Notion. If your workspace has admin controls, an approval might be required. You can manage or remove access anytime from the Connection section.